Are you thinking about getting into Koikatsu? We've got you covered with a special and easy guide for beginners just like you. Let's start off with adding models. Upon clicking the add icon, a few options will be displayed, including 2 options for girls and for boys. To add a girl, all you have to do is select girls and pick any model you have available. Confirm. Repeat the process to add another model. You can change the model by selecting it in the workspace, choosing your preferred model, and clicking the Change Character button. If you want to duplicate a model, select it and press Ctrl+D. To hide the model, click on the tick in the workspace. To utilize the model, have it selected and click on the anim icon. In current state, you can control the appearance and the look. Clothing choices are up to you, as well as deciding whether or not to use accessories provided with the model. You'll have no problem exploring the rest yourself. In Kinematics, you have the ability to control what the model is doing. F.K, you can rotate certain parts of the body, limbs and neck/head. I.K, you move certain parts of the body and rotate the limbs too, but excluding the neck/head. F.K and I.K, you can do everything that was included in I.K, but also have the ability to rotate the neck/head just like in K.K. My personal preference is F.K and I.K. Gaze allows you to manipulate the model's eye movement. Follow will have the model gazing directly at you. Avert will have them looking the opposite of you. Fixed will lock the gaze. Adjust will give you a node that you can move around freely. The model will lock gaze at wherever you move it. The same applies to head operation. In what animation you have applied, the neck will move accordingly. Here you can control the expression settings. I recommend using the expression controller instead. Press L on your keyboard to open. Check out my video on expression controller to learn more about it. There are several categories of animations and poses available in animations. The default is the T-pose, it does not have an animation. Animations can be identified by increasing the speed in the animation controller. After covering the basic principles of models, let's quickly go back to add. In items, you can a wide range of objects to choose from. To find certain items faster, use the find icon instead and type in your desired item. The majority of everything, including maps and effects, can be found here. Using everything we learned so far, let's create a nice render. Press F11 to take a screenshot. For more Koikatsu related videos, please subscribe for more informative content.